Welcome back to my channel. No, I hated that. Do you guys like this lighting? It's kind of nice, kind of ominous, spooky, a little dark, a little mysterious. Not really, I'm just being annoying. I have a quick disclaimer before we start this video. Disclaimer alert.
Okay, this wasn't even part of the disclaimer, but ew, my hair is disgusting, ignore it.
This is not my typical content. However, this video will reach people who have no idea who I am. Now, I've done an unboxing video before and it did really great, and I am really appreciative of that. However, I had a lot of grown men in my comments complaining to me about the way I filmed my video as if that was my problem to worry about. I am not a tech channel. I am not a little techie. Okay. I am doing this solely because I see things the way that a consumer sees things, not a way that a tech genius sees things, okay? So if you're looking for really in-depth tech details, whatever, I'm gonna need you to click off this video right now and don't even think about going to my comment section. I don't want some boohoo comments, okay? So don't come crying to me. I could literally care less about what you have to say about my video that I made because I liked it, okay? Thank you very much. This iPad was my birthday gift. I did not purchase this with my own money. I did not buy an iPad Pro because I didn't feel it was necessary, and I think iPad Pros are great. They can also be much larger, but I didn't need that because I have a laptop, I have a computer, a desktop. I do not need the capabilities of a computer on an iPad. The only thing I'm using it for is my own entertainment and to create digital designs and go to class with.
So this is the iPad 7th generation in space gray. Hi. Take this out. Obviously, it comes with the iPad. Ooh, my iPad right now is actually white, so it's gonna take some getting used to for it to be black. It also comes with a charging cord, your pamphlet, and the tiniest cube I've ever seen in my entire life. I'm sorry, I need to go grab my other cube to compare. Never mind, I'm dumb. They're the exact same size. I seriously thought they were different. I'm just used to looking at a laptop cube, I think. Open this baby up. Oh my god. Hi. Hi. You guys probably don't want to see me, but the glare is really bad. All right, so this is the best way to do these things. It just will automatically set up. So that's interesting. I love that Apple does this now. It's actually one of my favorite things. I really appreciate the ease because the old way of setting things up, syncing from like a laptop or something like that, was getting really tedious and annoying.
The good news is that I got it all set up. It is all transferred over, so I am so excited to use it. I'm not noticing much of a difference as it is now.
Several days later.
Hi, it's a couple days later after I filmed this video, and I am just now realizing I literally didn't talk about anything that I wanted to talk about in this video. So I am here to do that now. Right here I have my iPad, obviously. The lady of the hour. Look-de-doo at it. Here's her in all of her beautiful glory, and I pulled up the Apple information. This iPad versus the iPad Pro 4th generation. For this iPad, you can actually get it in 3 colors versus the 2 you can get with the iPad Pro. Obviously, this one is only $330 versus $1,000 for the iPad Pro. The main difference I notice, at least with me having it, is the size. So this iPad is a 10.2-inch Retina display versus the iPad Pro is going to be a 12.9-inch Retina display. I guess if you really need a bigger size, that is great. This is going to be the 128 gigabyte iPad, and on the iPad Pro you can get up to a terabyte. This only has one back camera, and the other one has the 3 camera like the newest iPhone or whatever. I don't think many people are using their iPads with the cameras, but correct me if I'm wrong, I don't think they are. This one is just compatible with a smart keyboard, whereas the iPad Pro is going to be compatible with the Magic Keyboard as well. That's kind of the differences. There are a couple extra listed differences that are better for the Pro on here, but they're just things that I don't think I would need, like fully laminated display, anti-reflective coating, ProMotion technology, wide color display, and true tone display. I'm not so worried about it. If you're planning to get a Pro and you go with this iPad, you actually have extra money to save on the Apple Pencil, and then you can just get it all at once and you will be good to go, rather than spending upwards of like $1,200 for both products. I just feel like that is an insane amount for something that maybe is just not worth that big price difference. That's just my opinion as a consumer and not as somebody who is really into tech things, so please keep that in mind. You can feel free to leave me how you feel down in the comments. I think it's a great investment if you are in need of an iPad, and I think it's going to be great for students to use at back to school time, and I can't wait to sketch on it and bring it to class. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to let me know your opinions on the new iPad 7th generation, and don't forget to check out the other videos on my channel if you feel so inclined. I make vlogs and really random content. I like to have a good time here on this channel, not too serious, you know, that's just not my thing. I like to just mess around. So if you like to mess around, I think this is a place for you. So don't forget to subscribe. Down below, hit the like button if you feel so inclined to do so. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!